Hi, friends. I'm so excited to be here with you today and talk about the Google AI Studio, the newest model, the Nano Banana. Have you tried it? It's all the rave right now. And what I wanted to show you is how you can change images, create images, and also you can make a video with them out of HeyGen. So what you want to do, you can simply just go over to Google and Google AI Studio. And once you're there, you're going to see on your main page here, try Nano Banana, or you can go to generate media and try Nano Banana from there. And what you're going to do, just put in a prompt just like you normally would. And so, one thing that I would say here, let's just do something really simple here, and I'll show you. Let's create a birthday card. And I'm going to put here, create a birthday card with balloons and a small child with ponytails riding a new bike. So let's run that. And as you can see, the model's working there. Now this is really, really cool here. So I'm going to just go ahead just so you can see this image really quickly. Hope your new bride is full of adventure. That's really cute, and you can make images. But also, one thing I also want to show you as well, what you can do. I'm going to upload a file and just show you how you can make some changes here. So if we look, I'm just going to open this particular, and I'll just let it know, change the woman's blazer color. Let's say magenta. Something that'll stand out that you'll see here. Change the woman's blazer color to magenta. Let's do a run. Now, her blazer, as you can see, it was like this cafe mocha color before, right? So here in Nano Banana, we just changed that to magenta. Look how easy this was. So say for instance, if you want to have a consistent character, you want to keep their features and everything, you're literally able to do that, but then place them in different settings for different social media, and you can change their clothing in a snap. So here's something I want to show you in ChatGPT. What we can also do, I'm going to just say, hi, Chatty. Can you create, and I call mine affectionately Chatty, of course. Can you create me an image of a Pixar character of a little girl with ponytails, the bike is a shiny red with red and white streamers on the handlebars. And she has her favorite blue sweater on and jeans and sneakers. So we're going to wait till this image, and we can definitely download this image, and we're going to put all of this. I want to show you how this can come together in HeyGen, where you can create videos with this. So while that's waiting here, of course, again, HeyGen, if you go to heygen.hap.com, and this is what your homepage is going to look like. So we're just going to move over here and shift a little bit while our creation and image is coming to life in ChatGPT there. So of course you can do photo to video and create your own avatar. So of course you can upload a photo here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to our Google AI Studio. Let's go ahead and download her with her new magenta blazer that you changed right there in just a snap. So I'm going to upload this video. All right. And so we're going to go ahead and select a voice. We'll hide that status bar. So we're going to listen to a few of the voices here. Let's take a look at some of my voices. I'll just use some of my voice. Let's use that one. So we're going to add a script there. So we have our script here. So we're going to go ahead and make sure we put this all together. So our quality here, this is going to be the best quality. We're going to leave it at 1080p. So it's going to generate our video with our all new avatar with her updated blazer. I just put some text. Hi friends, thank you for joining me today as I create some new content in Google's new Nano Banana. Let's put with Google's new Nano Banana image creation model. This is an all new video introducing a character and wardrobe change. Follow me for more fun wardrobe, accessory, and jewelry changes. Thanks. See you again soon. Ready, set, let's go create with Nano Banana. This is awesome. And this is something you can put like any fun things at the end. If you normally say, like typically for me, I always say hi friends and end with ready, set, let's go create. So we're going to generate this video. And while that's working, we're going to take a look. One thing you'll notice about Google AI Studio as well, you can go out to the build area, and this is like a marketplace where you can do different things here with Home Canvas, Pixar. There's different, get started with Gemini 2.5 Flash Editor where you can create different images. You can drag, drop, and visualize any product in your personal space here. You know, you have a code assistant here. If you want to add anything, you upload a product and upload the scene. This is great for product placement. If you have an online shop, Passport, where you can, this is one that I really love that you can use, create yourself through the decades. So you can create yourself in the 1960s, 70s, 80s, 90s, just all fun new things that you can do with this. So we're going to hop back over and we're going to see if our, and you can go here to chat, and this is how you'll get back out to the actual image generator. And here's some history here. So if you want to go back to where you were, you can always go back and reach anything that you were doing, just like we just did. So let's go and see. All right, so let's check out our avatar video. What's saying it's 4% ready. So we're going to let that still kind of marinate a bit. But what you want to do, and let's just see if our image is still working in ChatGPT, but what you can do is create several different prompts that will help you to keep consistent characters as well in ChatGPT. And also, you can utilize Hedra as well. So we can hop on over. If you're not already familiar with Hedra, a great place to create images as well. So I'll do that same prompt we did again, create an image of a small child with ponytails riding a bike. Her to be a Pixar character. Make her to be a Pixar character. Let me give it a reference image because I like creating children's books and children's stories. So birthday images for birthday cards, this is really cute. So we gave it a reference image. I put in the prompt, create an image of a small child with ponytails riding a bike. The child received the bike for her birthday, of course. You know, it's gonna be a red bike with red and white streamers, of course. We're gonna look and see if it's gonna add some balloons, but we certainly we're gonna check back on this. Well, look at that. That is so cute. And so we're gonna download this image as well. Let's add some balloons to her bike. Oh, and streamers to her bike. So let's see, because it may not have the reference for the streamers, but this is pretty cool. This little girl, she's really cute. And you can take these images and put them in HeyGen and make a video, of course. So let's take a look at our video that we created. Unmute. We want to unmute the sound here. Hopefully you all can hear this okay. That was awesome. So this is just to show you how you can utilize different images and create avatars with your HeyGen account. And in Hedra, we can do the same thing. And so we got a little bit of a variation there that we'll have to work on. But this is a great image that you can use as well. But this particularly you can use for short stories and anything that you would like in that manner. So I just want to show you how simple and how easy this can be. If you like more of this content, I would love to show you um, everything that has to do with creating videos, avatars with images. This is our show stopping content month where I'll be going in all month about creating content, how you can repurpose images and make videos with HeyGen. And so I'm going to continue here. What we're going to do is upload our little girl into, we're going to go back out to home and we're going to do a photo to video as well. Actually, let's change this. Hi, everyone. Look at my new bike that I received for my birthday. Okay, so let's select the voice. Let's see if we have, sometimes you'll, so let's use, did we want to use Pixie? Let's see. So we're going to go ahead and generate, as you heard the voice there. This is so awesome. So it's going to get started. But as you can tell with, and we're going to head back over, with different prompts that you can do different things. I'm going to add another scenario here. Let's take another photo that we have. And you can take any photo. You're on vacation, change it up, switch it up. Let's add a photo here. We're just making some updates here. So we have a guy at his computer, of course. He's working with AI just as we are in this, and we want to change his scenery. Now take a look at this, right? He's working at the beach now. He is hanging out. Before he was in the city, of course, we can tell that looks like it's overlooking like another office building, of course. But here we full on can see, and this just lets you know the ease of how you can change your scenery, change your clothing, create images really fast with Google Nano Banana. The image, this is going to be the 2.5 flash image model. Let's see how fast okay, so it's still pending over here, so we're going to wait on that. But I just wanted to show you, you can definitely create different types of media here, product post, advertising post, image packs. So this just really lets you know what's possible. So I'm glad that I was able to show you Google Nano Banana today and what's possible, even with ChatGPT generating your prompts and also utilizing HeyGen and also Hedra. So there's a great mix here so you can create great images. And I love to use Hedra for Pixar style type imagery when I'm doing animations, but Google Nano Banana, you can do the same thing as well. I just wanted to add that little tidbit in. So let's take a look at our video. Isn't that cute? So, this is just to show you what's possible with Google Nano Banana. I'm so excited that you all were able to join me. Follow me for more. Of course, I am Jennifer Ponder Speaks, and I look forward to you joining me later this month. I'm going to be teaching more of my show stopping content creation information. So be on the lookout. Please keep up with me on Jennifer Ponder Speaks on Facebook, on Instagram, and also Jennifer Ponder on LinkedIn. I'll see you soon.